Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your PDF file into an Excel file on the 123apps.com. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, then you should scroll down to the PDF Tools section. After that, click on PDF to Excel, tap on Choose File in the middle of the screen, and select a PDF file from your documents, and then click on Upload. As you can see, your document has been converted into an Excel file. It says done, so tap on the download button in the middle of the screen to download the Excel file. Click on this download button in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on your document. In a few seconds it will open it in Microsoft Excel and you will be able to check out how it looks like. Might take a few seconds, but here you can find it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.